It's a 2017 BMW 5 Series. It is the epitome of sophistication in turbocharged form. Welcome to your oasis. 2017s mark the first year of the 7th generation of the 5 Series. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend points out, as is the case with BMWs in this price range, the interior was a finely crafted blend of leather and wood trim anchored by the iDrive infotainment system. With its exceptionally good looks, powerful performance, and refined style, it transforms your driving experience. Take it for a test drive today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.